All right, so we're two goofs that enjoy watching MRE videos, so we bought some MREs because we saved 10% thanks to Dub C. So we got some MREs from the Minotaur Trading Company, and today we're opening the Arctic Field ration, menu number 3. Chicken and rice. So, see what we have. All right, first we've got the MRE spoon. Aqua tablet information, how to use your, that's not really a tablet, I guess. Say water purification tablets. Mashed potatoes, instant. I hate this. It's backwards, like talking like Yoda. Some chocolate mints, like some sort of candy, I guess. MRE Nation dry roasted peanuts. Chicken flavored gravy mix. Alfredo sauce mix. I'm not sure what that would go on.
Find out.
Your MRE pilot bread. The strawberry jam. Hot chocolate supreme mix. Grape drink. Gusseted bag. MRE cheese spread. Our accessory kit. Coffee pack kit. Cherry drink mix. I know you don't like cherry, so I'll get all of that. Thank you.
Perfect.
She doesn't have to try any. It's all mine. U.S. chocolate ration. I don't even know if we can have this. I don't think you like chocolate, right? No, I didn't think so. Corn nuts. These have to be the highest calorie thing in the whole baggage. And this box is like something like 2,800 calories for the day because it's an Arctic ration. And then we have your main, which is the freeze-dried chicken and rice. So we can get rid of the stupid box. And thank you, Minotaur Trading Company, for sending this to us.
Very nice. So inside the accessory kit, we've got some candies, salt, pepper, more water purification tablets, sugar, moist towelette, non-dairy coffee creamer, and some English breakfast tea.
Ooh,
perfect.
That's perfect for you.
All right, let's get started.
All right, so let's get some water going and see what we have here. All right.
How much water do we need?
Well, we're going to get the main started, so we need 10 ounces. So let's use maybe 9. Let stand for 15 minutes. All right. So this is one meal, all of this stuff. And we're from Canada, so an Arctic ration's good enough. And then we need 6 ounces of boiling water for the mashed potatoes instant.
That's about 9 ounces.
Okay, so for the mashed potatoes instant, we need 6 ounces. We're just a fan of MREs, and this is our first one, so hey.
I'm not sure if you can. Oops, spilling them out.
Yeah, you did. You spoke it earlier.
I got a pee. How did that taste?
A pea isn't the first thing I should have taken, but you didn't even gusset the bag. You got to go gusset on its own.
Do a mix. 6 ounces of water. Potatoes?
There's literally peas like everywhere.
There's not peas everywhere.
It's everywhere. We'll let that sit for 15 minutes. Well, you're stuck with us for like 15 minutes because on. All right, so then we got the cherry drink mix.
There goes the water and the mashed potatoes. That's really hot. Give us a little stir.
All right, so the cherry drink mix.
It's coming together nice.
I know you don't like cherry, but you're gonna need to try it anyway.
I'll try it. I'll take one for the team.
That's what she said.
Alright. We can season that up after.
So there's one. We've got the chocolate mints. We've got the corn nuts. Let's break up this pilot bread.
You wanna make some coffee?
Sure.
There's 2 of them in here.
Alright, so here's what your pilot bread looks like.
Ooh.
They look to me like biscuits, but they also look like those little pizza things you get at Lunchables for our Lunchables pizza.
Can you pass me the mug there? Make you some tea. I have coffee. This is the deep rich coffee instant. There we go. Add hot water. Alright.
No, it's coffee. You just add, cold water.
Really?
Really?
Learn something new every day. I'm not sure really how much you're supposed to put in. You tell me when.
I'm saying it's probably what 6 ounces. That's probably good.
It's good.
Okay, so now we have the emery cheese spread.
That smells very coffee-like. Strong. You want to try it by itself first?
Yep. It's definitely handy snacks cheese,
Perfect.
but also tastes kind of like warm cheese whiz. It's definitely good.
That's pretty good.
I'm sure as a toddler,
I
it
do
would
that.
have been like. So now we'll try it on the pilot bread. I'm sure as like a toddler, this would have been like food almost, but it definitely tastes like a Lunchables or a Handy Snacks cheese. That's pretty good. I think it's
Got a good crunch.
Yep, essentially Lunchables.
Alright, let's try the strawberry jam on there. Can you pass me another spoon? Nice color.
Looks like strawberry jam.
Tastes like strawberry jam.
Oh, you would have never known.
Try some now on the.
High sweetener content.
I like the sweet.
No, but like not like sugar, but like high sweetener content. So like the little packet of cherry or strawberry is 70 calories. So if you were to like add this to like your tea or something to give it a nice flavor, maybe you don't want to use the sweeteners or the sugars, It would also be a nice replacement to give it that nice fruit flavor.
Wash it down with some cherry drink.
Yeah, the cherry drink is actually really good. I know you won't like it, but it's got like that cherry medicine flavor.
Oh, definitely cherry.
Yeah, it tastes like cherry medicine, which I really enjoy.
I like cherry medicine, but that is not.
Yeah, like it doesn't taste as much cherry as like say a Jolly Ranchers would, but like you can definitely taste that it's like cough syrup style flavor, which I really enjoy. I like cherry cough syrup.
Well, I'm excited for the grape drink.
Okay, so let's mix up the grape drink.
Maybe you want to test out your coffee.
Oh no, did you stir it?
Yeah, I did. Try it black first, and maybe add some creamer.
Looks like soap bubbles.
Oh, that's nice and
This-
crispy.
If you've ever had McDonald's coffee from the 90s, that was basically like a dish of water that kind of just looked like, you know, what they used to wash it with. This is about what this tastes like.
Yeah, it looks
So I'm sorry, Dub C, but the deep rich is not deep rich. It's tap water, at least to me. And we barely used like 6 ounces of water. So you definitely would need at least 2 packets. So I'm gonna go ahead and add sugar and the non-dairy creamer. Yep, no, just tastes like non-dairy creamer and sugar. I'm disappointed we didn't get the Nescafe 3-in-1. Because those ones are actually good.
Next
But
time.
it's very commercial, at least. This reminds me of like if you're staying at like a Motel 6 and you get like their coffee from their machine at like 3 in the morning that's been there all day and it's not like quite burnt, but it tastes just like water. That's what that tastes like. And I'm a coffee connoisseur.
Try this. I like this. The grape. Very grapey. Not too sweet.
That's really good.
Yeah.
That tastes like better than grape Kool-Aid, but kind of like a grape Gatorade. But also tastes like if you were to crush up Pez and mix it with water.
Yeah, kind of like grape Pez.
Yeah, grape Pez for sure. No, that's excellent.
That's a keeper.
Yeah. All right. So we need to make this chicken flavored gravy mix. So we need more hot water.
Yeah, well, we need more hot water.
Yeah, and we need to shake it vigorously for 30 seconds. You're pretty good at shaking things vigorously, so we'll get that going.
Some hot water here. These are ready to go. Chicken and rice is getting there. I should do the Alfredo sauce at the same time. It smells garlicky already and I didn't even open it. Wow. That's flavorful.
Oh wow, we don't know that it's flavorful, but it sure smells like it.
Okay. Let's get the hot water.
I like these little gusset bags.
Okay. So 4 ounces of the chicken flavored gravy going in. Give that a little mixy over here.
Why isn't the rice moving?
Oh, it has the mashed potatoes on it. I don't want to eat it.
Yeah, so I'm gonna say that the gravy is definitely for the mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they don't taste very
Shake
spicy.
vigorously for 30 seconds. Shake, shake, shake.
It's gonna come. It's gonna come.
All right. And the Alfredo, also 4 ounces. Water.
See, like, I don't understand what we put the Alfredo mix on.
I'm not sure either.
Unless it
That's the
goes
chicken
on
and
the chicken and rice, but it's not really meant for gravy, but or the Alfredo sauce. Maybe if we had the chicken noodles, but that's very strange.
All right, we're also just gonna give this a shake.
Yes,
And
give
it's
it a
just
vigorous shake.
down for 2 minutes. These bags are nice and handy, all in one.
While you're doing that, I'm going to make the English breakfast tea. All right, while we're waiting on that, let's try these corn nuts. Your standard corn nuts.
Dropping them down? Huh?
Yeah, I always drop my nuts. These are your standard corn nuts. Corny, nutty, salty.
Crunchy.
This is a good snack.
Definitely gonna finish those.
Yep. Your hot water.
Yeah, the cup right here.
You're gonna let that tea steep for a few minutes.
We just need some more hot water for the hot dogs. Alright, we also have the dry roasted salted peanuts. Very nutty over here.
Well, at least it's not nutty as fruit cake.
Alright. Peanuts. Not overly salty.
It's only dry. It's not moist at all.
Who wants moist nuts?
Well, I couldn't make them in a peanut butter, but hey, we didn't even get peanut butter.
Nope. What about the jam? Mmm.
Jam for your moist nuts.
Now I'll need my grape drink. Mmm.
There's your Pez flavored drink.
Better than the cherry.
Perfect.
Let's get our plates.
Yeah, sorry, we're amateurs. We don't have a tray, but
Oh,
we
yeah.
will order one. But we enjoy the goofing off. So it seems like
I
our,
don't know what this is for. A little like sticky things.
who knows? It's in the box.
So they're ready to go.
All right, so let's try out the mashed potatoes. How's that gravy?
Gravy's here.
It's instant mashed potatoes, probably like every other instant mashed potatoes you've ever had.
Get it all out.
Pretty good portion size.
It didn't quite mix very well.
No, it sure didn't. Did you put enough water?
I sure did.
Well, it definitely didn't mix to perfect. So it's looking pretty.
Mush it up in here.
Yeah. I'm gonna put some more water in there. Didn't mix up the greatest, so let's mush it up.
Right here.
Definitely needed to give it another mix, that's for sure. Tried following Steve 1989's direction of add less water to make it less soupy. Well, a little bit more water would have been good.
Well, the gravy sure smells really good, but it's extremely liquidy. It did not, it's like soup. Maybe we'll just
Maybe that one we should have taken Steve's directions on.
ladle a little bit
Put a little bit
on. Keep it to one side here.
Yeah, definitely didn't mix like I would have liked it to. Probably should have given it another mix.
First time. So definitely lots of potatoes.
Yeah, you're definitely not going to go hungry on that. But I think the potatoes and gravy is basically like a whole meal by itself. Although I don't know where you get a breakfast out of it, because I don't think it's a 24-hour ration. I think it's just a single meal ration. So let's get that gravy on there. I'm going to try it by itself.
I only put some of it on there because that's...
Well, you're definitely going to need your salt and pepper for these, but...
Well, it says season to taste.
These are going to reconstitute my stomach, for sure.
But the potatoes are nice and fluffy.
The potatoes and the gravy.
There's that salt. Would you like some pepper? I don't want to kill you with the salt. Much better with the salt. That's for sure. No, it's not good at all. Let's wait for our chicken and rice. Let's give this a little. Let's see here. Well, it's very.
Yeah, if you're gonna order the menu number 3, definitely use up more water than it says to for the potatoes.
I'm not really sure what's supposed to be going on here.
But
it's
it
supposed to
definitely
be like soupy or not.
It definitely needs the salt and pepper for the mashed potatoes, and definitely it needs more of that gravy.
Oh, it says add sauce of choice. Funny.
Yeah, we'll add the Alfredo sauce. All right.
It's very liquidy, so adding more liquid to here doesn't seem like the greatest idea. But it's definitely reconstituted.
Did you only put the 9 ounces?
Yeah. It says 10 ounces. I only put 9 ounces in there. Definitely been 15 minutes.
Yeah, it's definitely soupy. So we're gonna go ahead and drain that. I imagine you'd waste quite a bit of your water resources. So you might want to just add. You might want to add 7 ounces.
Wait, we gotta add the sauce to it.
We're adding sauce in the bag?
That's what it says to do, and then mix it.
Okay.
Unless you want to try a little bit first of that before adding the sauce.
Traditionally, that's how it's done.
Just flung something at my hand.
Yeah, it's definitely unflavored. You can kind of taste the chicken and the peas in from like it cooking. But it's definitely just like your standard chicken and rice.
It's definitely cooked.
Yeah, it's definitely cooked. Use less water than it says to for sure.
Especially because we're going to add the Alfredo sauce mix to this. This thickened up much better than the chicken gravy. Give that a stir and then maybe we'll close it up and shake it first.
Maybe if we do this one again, we'll just add the Alfredo sauce to it and that'll soak up the water.
Yeah, it may not be enough, but it would be
It'd
definitely...
be flavorful. Okay, so this is... Yeah, so this one is... It's almost looking like a cereal.
Put it in a bowl.
Yeah. So like for this one, it's definitely like a soup, like a cereal. It's definitely like a cereal. I won't be able to show it to you because my camera won't tilt that way, but it's definitely like a soupy cereal.
It's like a stew. An Alfredo stew. Let's get some
It's
chicken
definitely
and
cooked.
peas.
Definitely cooked. You can see there's some.
Good chicken.
There's big chunks of chicken in there. A few peas. It's really good. It's mostly rice, but
It's like a rice porridge consistency
yeah,
with like an Alfredo sauce.
yeah, it's almost like rice pudding. Which is not bad. If you were in a cold weather climate, having a nice soup like that
That's
with
probably
the
why.
flavoring is pretty good. Keep your moisture up.
Let's do a mega bite here with some potatoes.
No gimmick infringement.
Yeah. I need 2 hands here.
There you go, Dubsy. That's for your 10%. Doing a 10%
Pretty
megabyte.
delicious putting the potatoes in there.
I'm gonna try the potatoes with
With the cheese.
the cheese
Interesting.
spread. This little piece of chicken here. Mmm. Definitely needs that crunch. So if you don't use your whole pilot bread for the jam and the cheese, you could definitely break it up and enjoy it in like your rice soup. So let's go ahead and give that a bite. It's got the cheese on it, by the way. Mmm. You could add a little of the cheese spread to the Alfredo sauce
Oh, that would be good.
and thicken it up and give it that nice creamy texture. Go ahead and wash it down. Your tea should be ready by now.
I was just thinking about it. Can you do that one? So I'm gonna give this a mix. It's a nice regular tea bag. This one's the English breakfast. Normally I drink Earl Grey, so pretty similar. Not bad.
This one didn't have a tear notch.
Did you use all the sugar?
Nope.
Where is the sugar? You did use all the sugar. Oh no, here's the other sugar. I'll add
I
some
only used
sugar.
one sugar.
I'll add some sugar. I like sweets.
Mm. That is a delicious Motel 6 3 in the morning beverage right there. But I guess if you're in a cold weather climate and you just need that coffee kick, you'll enjoy it just the same.
Definitely much better with the sugar. Ooh, got chocolates.
Yeah. So for dessert, we have our US MRA chocolate ration, the chocolate mints, and just to top it off, we also have the chocolate hot chocolate. And little weird candies.
They call them Smarties, but in Canada, Smarties are like a chocolate candy coated shell. So I'm not sure what these are. Oh, that's a lot.
Well, yeah, but you used the big mug for the little bit of coffee.
Oh. Let's open these chocolate mints. Ooh, these are nice and colorful. It reminds me of Easter. Ooh, they're very minty. Don't want to spill them.
Ooh.
Ooh.
That's fantastic. It's like a junior mint with like a
They're not
crunchy.
creamy like that, but
with like a crunchy coating. Definitely Easter themed though.
pastel mint. Those are good. Nice little sweet minty. Like an after 8 dinner mint kind of thing.
Yeah, like after 8, yeah.
Straight up chocolate.
Our US MRE chocolate ration.
No bloomage.
Definitely smells like a dark chocolate. It's got that divided sort of texture.
Squares.
Definitely a dark chocolate.
Creamy, just melts in your mouth. smooth.
50% cocoa.
I was gonna say because it's not
It's
bitter,
not overly dark and bitter.
but it's still sweet.
So for our now 3 hot chocolate things, with the chocolate and now the chocolate drink mix.
Supreme.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
Ooh, and it's got like.
Maybe you just didn't mix it. I don't think you
No,
mixed
no.
it well.
Definitely not, because it's too full. But
Oh.
once we have a little bit, I'll mix it more. But no, that's delicious.
Oh yeah, that's really good.
Right?
To
It's very
make it
good.
chocolatier, you could even add your chocolate square into there. Yeah. Definitely is the Supreme, that one step up from the grocery store.
Yeah. No, that's definitely good.
Mm.
So I think if the mashed potatoes had constituted properly, it definitely needs a bigger package than the bag that it's in, because it needs more water than it had. Even though it was mixed, the potatoes absorbed all of the water, so there wasn't any water left. So it definitely needs a bigger gusset bag. So you definitely want to take them out and mix them into a bowl and maybe cover it with a lid. The package is not great, but I think my favorite thing was the chicken gravy and the potatoes. The chicken gravy was just fantastic.
All right, we're gonna try these, what they call smarties.
Did you take the pink one?
Of course I did. I don't know. It's chewy inside,
It's like a weird,
but it has a slight mint taste almost.
yeah. It's like a weird after dinner mint, like probably with the consistencies for teeth brushing.
Yeah, I'm not really sure what that was, but it was good.
Yeah.
And then, well, clean our hands with the moist towelette.
Filthy woman, clean those hands.
Lemonade. Smells like pine salt. Pretty decent.
Yeah, you could probably clean your plates and stuff with it afterwards, and
Yeah.
clean your utensils. Yeah. Oh, I don't want it.
All right.
Well, we're going to go ahead and finish this one up, and we'll be coming back at you with a filled French toast MRE. If you like the video, feel free to give us a like and a share. And I'm Ramblin' Rabbit, and this is Fuzzy Bunny, and we'll be back with some more MRE ration reviews.